Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Antigravity and Claude AI step by step. This is helpful if you want to use Antigravity as your main workspace, but you also want Claude AI to help you write, fix, explain, or improve your project. I will keep everything simple, so even if this is your first time using these tools, you can follow along without getting confused. First, open your browser and search for Google Antigravity. Once you're on the Antigravity page, look for the Download button. Choose the version that matches your computer. If you are using Windows, choose Windows. If you're using Mac, choose Mac. If you're using Linux, choose Linux. After the file finishes downloading, open it and install it like any normal app. Just follow the setup screen, click Next when needed, and wait until the install is finished. Once Antigravity is installed, open it. Now, you may be asked to sign in. Use the account you want to connect with Antigravity. After signing in, you should land inside the main Antigravity screen. Next, create or open a project. If you already have a project on your computer, click Open Folder, then choose the folder where your project is saved. If you do not have a project yet, create a new folder first. You can name it something simple like Claude Antigravity Test. After opening the folder, Antigravity will show your project files on the left side. This is where you can see the files you are working on. Now, before typing anything into the chat box, go to Settings. Inside Settings, look for Models. Click Models and then look for the section that says Claude and GPT Models. Here, make sure you still have Weekly Limit available. This is important because if your weekly limit is already used up, Claude may not work when you try to use it. So before moving forward, check that the limit is still available. If it shows that you still have usage left, then you are ready to continue. After checking that, go back to your main work screen. Now, look for the typing chat box inside Antigravity. Before you enter your prompt, look near the chat box for the Models dropdown. Click it and then look for Claude in the list. Select Claude as the model you want to use. This step is important because if another model is selected, your prompt may not go to Claude. So always check the model first before typing your message. So that is the full basic setup. You install Antigravity, open your project, go to Settings, open Models, check your weekly limit under Claude and GPT models, go back to the chat box, choose Claude from the Models dropdown, and then enter your prompt. The main idea is simple. Antigravity gives you the place to work, and Claude helps you think, write, fix, and improve your project inside that place. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.